Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use dall-e to create digital paintings using old photos. So first let's go to chatgpt.com, and once you're here and see the prompt screen, let's click on this plus icon. Click on Add Photos and Files, navigate to the file you want, and once it's uploaded, we can start writing our prompt. So I'll start by saying, take this image and turn it into an oil painting. I want a simple background consisting of only a few colors. Also, I noticed there's a bit of brown/red tint to the image, so I'll go ahead and mention that. Also, I want you to remove the brown/reddish tint and make the colors more neutral and natural. So I'm pretty satisfied with that prompt. Make sure when you use it, you mention any details that you think are important. So I'm gonna go ahead and press enter, and let's give ChatGPT some time to analyze and generate a new image. There you go. I am 100% pleased with the final outcome, but I'd still like to make some changes. Namely, I want to remove the person at the back and the water tumblers at the front. So I'm going to send it a follow-up prompt. Take that image and remove the person in the background. I also want the water tumblers, or water pitchers I should say. I also want the water pitchers in front to be removed. Only the subjects should be in the... So once we're sure about the changes we want to make, let's go ahead and press enter. And it's going to take another minute or two to revise that image and give us our final product. Seems to be taking a bit longer than usual. There we go. Took a little longer than usual, but here's our finished product. So it even gave me a choice about which image I would prefer, since I did mention in my original prompt that I wanted it to correct the colors a little, make it more neutral and natural. So out of these two, I'd say image 2 is better. So this just helps train it about what your preferences are, and I am absolutely speechless about the finished product. It's exactly what I had in mind. So once that's done, I'm gonna mouse over it and click on download, and it should save. And now I can use the photo for whatever I originally wanted to use it for. So that was how to turn your photos into paintings using dall-e.